Ing tutuking programa, mituringan niyang rated PG. Kailangan ing patnube at gabeding pengari para karing kayanakan amanalbe.
Kabalen, kakalguran at kapatid, kumusta kayo po? Medyo solo flight ko pa mo po for this particular episode because si kana ako pong kapatid ay Miss Maureen Hepte Castro, medyo atinya mo pong pagkaabala na importanteng bagay. Balo nyo po, every time na makabalita kami na ating papausbong, young businessman or entrepreneurs, buong puso nila pong susuporta nuning maniwala kami keng geling ang dareng kay katamong kaya nakapampangan. And for this particular episode, I think you guessed it right, pero ala kayo po keng Maragul mall or ala kayo keng shoe store somewhere in Makati or in Manila at kayo mo po keng Dolores City of San Fernando where we get to meet a very young, promising Kapampangan entrepreneur. And this is an episode for all shoe lovers, for all fans of LeBron, Michael Jordan, at nung nino-nino pang magaling NBA players, kasi imbis ng panamo po kasi retang pang 70s at 80s players. So, naano pa pong gagawan nyo? Tumutok kay king manyaman na kwentuang Kapampangan, uling baloy naman po, miyayaliwa man ng lupa, miyayaliwa man ng storya, miyayaliwa man ng panina, pero metong mu ing dengalan. At yan ing Kapampangan. At manibatan mo yan po keng kayabe yung Miss Maureen Hepte Castro at ing kayantabe yung Mama Ray Yumang ken mo keng personalan. Kataluguran, kalupan na po ning penga ako kaya kayo nanding opening. I am featuring another very young and very promising Kapampangan entrepreneur. Kabalen ke po, anya buong puso ke pong pakilala ke kayo, Joseph Marco JM Himzon of Kick City, San Fernando, Pampanga. Hello JM, kumusta na?
Ayos mo po, sir.
Mupang medyo mapagal ka pa or mangisnawa na ka after days, weeks of making sure na maging smooth sailing yung opening na ng katamong Kick City, San Fernando?
Okay na, sir. Medyo, lupa natin yung sinabi yung medyo marakala gagawan niyang bayo kami mag-open. Pero at this ngayon, okay na may kapag.
Mangisnawa na?
Mangisnawa na.
Ready na kang sula pa ulit bukas?
Ready na, sir.
Ayan. So, banggit ko nandin na kabalenda ka. So, pero in Himzon, bala mo Aliyah Kapampangan sounding name.
Aliyah po.
Tagano ka rin niya talaga i-father mo?
Itang father ko po yung father na taga Manila ya talaga. Yung mother na yung taga Makabebe.
Pero yung mother mo talaga is Kapampangan?
Kapampangan.
So, bigla ko mong aga na ka na ikit na kayo malati kayong mag-aral high school student. So, I do not remember na in family you was your family ever engaged in business?
Ali po masyado eh. Pero hindi ka malating negosyo. Nagtinda kaming LPG. Nagsubo kami ring auto supply king Masantol. Kung nirent miya rin ng sinehan kanta. Pero saguli mo po.
Pero never na something to do with say shoes, apparel. So and probably during that time medyo anak ka pa to really appreciate nung makanan magpalakad business.
Medyo
Okay, so but this question balo ko resounding yes siya yung maging sagot mo. Are you the type of anak kanyang malati ka na you had fascination with shoes? Anything about shoes, about basketball?
Apo. Anak ko pa, mahilig na ako yung sapatos talaga po, yung basketball.
As in,
pagka Pasko, pananayan ko na itong sana yung regalo ko, sapatos, shampoo.
as in, no other gift except shoes.
Baril-barilan ang pero burikula talaga rin kaya.
Anya kasi nga ako manigay pananayan ko regalo. So, what would you say ining may influensya kita? Anyone in the family or pinsan perhaps or kaluguran na, as in, kabait mo or anyang may kaisip na kabalo mo na you love basketball and you love shoes?
Nang kasing high school kami, ring kaklase ko, talagang mahilig na kami ng basketball. Nang time ay ita, syempre, kailangan mag-basketball ka ating kang shoes sa masanting. Nung nanay uso kanta, syempre, mo naman nasali, high school ka pa. Ngapi na itang, karan mag-start itang, buri ko mag-shoes kung antini, pag-basketball ke, parang feeling mo magaling na kapag hindi tayong shoes.
At saka maporma na maangas. Maangas, wala mga katakutan o rin kalaban, pagigit na rin sapatos sa susulod. Would you recall nung eto na sasabihan ng year, would you recall nung na rin ang minunang diling sapatos na talagang pengarapan mong buring-buring masali kang daddy mo?
Dito pong Fila, Grant Hill. Dito ang ating maputila rin dito ang minuna na pong Linwell Grant Hill shoes. I think I was 97 or 96 around.
Now I know na talagang passionate ka about current shoes kasi tatandaan na niyo pa yung model ng Bopang Year. And but you never had that inkling. Minsan na mo aisip na you would one day go into this particular business.
Kasi buri ko mo talagang mag-collect pero nang sibong ko magtindang ibenta itang metong kareng collections ko. Saguli, may saliya, tapos kukutang daw ulit nung ating ko pang pipisali. Niya mag-decide kung
And these are shoes that you have collected for how many years?
Minsan, on and off po, sir. Minsan, pagkala akong pera na sasali uli. Medyo lang alaga. Pero pagdating kong extra pera, once in a while, sasali ko mo yun.
You tell us more about that particular aspect mo as a young man na mangolektang shoes. Totoo ba na po tang mangolekta kang shoes or anything for that matter na bala mo akakit mo lang makaayos, it gives you, bala mo a little reward, a little satisfaction.
Minsan, nandito talaga pagka, minsan laban mo, bayo ka matutod.
Hindi mo naman susulod.
Ano naman susulod. Tang pakaramdam mo pag sinulod mo lang, may bawas na value, may dinatan na, minsan buri mo, talaga.
Banaw yata. Ma-intriga ko rin kanina. As in talagang maka-display la, pero magagawa kang isip nung gamitan mo la or alin.
Opo, sir. Kaya minsan nung like ngayon yung gagamitan kong shoes, lula mong pares, piulit-ulit ko lang kasi.
Pero the rest na talagang collection items?
Ay, ko lang susunod kasi manginayang ko, sir.
Would you recall nung may kapilang kang pairs? Would you even, did you have your last count nung pinanlaring collection mo?
Mga, siguro, less than 300.
Less than 300 pairs. Aray ko. Mag-compute na ako sa kaning pisalita na magkano lareta. Of those less than 300 shoes, mga 200 plus shoes, which one is your favorite?
Dani pong susunod kong ini.
So, yan, susunod mo lang. Why?
Kasi dani po rin pinakakaya ka rin Jordans eh. Kumbaga, pinaka-burida rin, lalo na rin sneakerheads, halos breeding bred the color ka rin Jordans. At saka limited la po kasi rin halos. Pagka lulwal na rin color black-red, kagad lang misasali. Huling burida lapin tang combination of color na itang.
Would you also say na maragula sa na some of our NBA legends, some of the very, very good, very great NBA superstars, associated lang ka rin sapatos?
Michael Jordan. Kobe Bryant din, sir. Tumoy LeBron. Pagka, halimbawa, nung ninong sikat kasi ilang makayem, ilang mas maka-influence ka rin. Kasi rin players, like si LeBron James, ngayon ito niyang sarili ng Nike LeBron. So rin anak kami, kaya idol kaya, ilang sa saluan dareta. Nung Kobe fan na ka man, salyan mo retang Kobe shoes. Which is atin lang low cut, atin lang high tops. pagka Jordan na ka man, yung Jordan yung idol mo, syempre,
Puro Jordan.
puro Jordan.
Marabal bang bagay, JM, na if you are collecting these shoes, na atin ka dapat, it doesn't matter nung fan na kang Jordan, Lebron, or Kobe, mas ating ka karetang luluwalda.
Mas kareng po kasing talagang sneakerheads, alala pong pipilinan nung nanong player or nung ninong kanino yung nano yung edition or nano. Karela po kasi basta lalo na rin ating panyaling sapatos. Every release, like yung Jordan po kasi every week mag-release siya yung pair. Ding aliwa rin ating panyali, sa Salyan de la Reta hanggang de la Buric para mo madinan lang pair ang tita. So ding aliwa naman sa Salyan de la Reta ang buridang colorway, buridang style or buridang nano yung klaseng pangagawa ang tita.
During this particular period na you were able to collect close to 300 shoes, how did your parents react? Era ka ba medyo kokosya na yung mukhang yung allowance mo, may relasyonan kayong sapatos?
Alinaw po kasi lamor na yung ginamit kong pang-start kayo ng KM kasi. Mumuna kasi sa salida ako. Uling ala ko po pimpong obra pong panyali. Kaya ba't nang di ka obra na ako, di ako na mo po sasalita.
Ating bang maragula difference yung pakiramdam na you were given as a gift itang buri-mong shoes upon you bought it from your own money?
Siyempre, itanto to mas maswelo ko nung binyeda kasi kumigastos. Pero nung talagang burime, kahit pagkasakitan, may alayang katumbas na siya.
At yun, bala mo may raragbigya value.
Opo, sir.
Of all your collection, which pair is the most expensive?
Ako po kasi ako mag-collect talagang retang mamahalin kasi umunang dili kawag yung minsan yung price. So kaya manakit ko karetang potang ma-release la kasi yung shoes sir, potang halimbawa, may release siya, salyan mo yung retail, and then a day after, tumas yung resale value na. So ating shoes na salyan mo yung $200, potang kaibat na ng metong Aldo, magiging $2,000 ang tita. So reta rin pakikuanan ko na akwaret ang datang mata sa tita sa value. Pag kay asali kitang retail na, kung nasa yan kasi masyado na yung mal.
So you are on the constant lookout for this new pairs, new na luluwal.
Parati kong ating updates about shoes ang po ring nung anong luluwala apparel pong nung kapilan na ma-release at shoe lang ka ako po.
Okay. So you were a shoe collector first before you became a businessman. Is that safe to assume?
Opo.
Any other interests aside from shoes, aside from basketball, na maging agaw before you even opted to open or before you even decided na you go into business?
Actually, wala na po sir. Kaya ko mo sir. Family man na ako kasi ngayon.
I know.
So, ito po sir, itang ken mong shoes, potang kaya muli na bali. Tang normal kaya na mo ning tao.
Alright, I understand na Kick City started in the town of Apalit.
Apalit po.
Okay, mag-open niya ka rin in May of 2015. Alright? Nanularet ng medyo mag-backtrack ta mo, bagya mag-rewind ta mo. Nanularet ng circumstances that led you to decide na I'm ready to open a business. Sugal na akong bagya. Kasi we were able to establish na ala kang background kang business. You were very young, relatively young, anyang mag-business na rin daddy mo, pori mami mo. So, practical ala ka talagang exposure, ala kang hands-on training.
Kaya mo, sir, nang muna kasi, buri ko mong subukan. Kasi ating kaming online page, Facebook page, bali online kahit anong mag-order. So, karin ko talaga mag-start mo muna. Tapos, ding aliwa, kukutang doon ang nakuring ng meetup place. Alina ako...
Jollibee, OG Road.
Kasi sir, ako man pwedeng makipag-meetup kasi marayo ko pin. So, sasabihan ko karela na i-ship kay straight king Baleda. Ding aliwa kasi, edaburi king Baleda kasi syempre for security purposes or edaburi mabaling address dampong kay. Kasi doon ako man kakilala. So, minsan sabihan ko, pick up pa niya kasi itang kaya ko kanya mag-over kay San Fernando. iyang makipagbit karela. Kaya pinmeglagay kong pick-up store sana king apalit, kitang king Kick City apalit. Tapos digdagan ko niya mong shoes. Pero mainly talaga pick-up store mo para ka ring online orders. Tapos nandinin nang kayong dita ka shoes, sambon dita ka t-shirt, kalupad na rin atsyung yun kaya.
Everything started small, pati dita. Hanggang naking may raguling sakit mong buntok.
Hanggang naman ngayon, sir, dita pa rin.
Hindi mo sakit buntok. Medyo sasating niyo po yung kwento tamo, medyo mabitin la pa mo rin kay katamong taga-Panalbe, lalong-lalo na rin kaya nakanamanalbe. I'm sure you're all hooked up nung no-karinining Kick City kaya ni City of San Fernando. Niya kay Pumaglipat Channel, magbalik pa rin po Personalan.
We teach. We train. We touch. We transform. Catering to the educational aspirations of the youth in Region 3. In Subic, Clark, Olongapo City, Zambales, Bataan, Tarlac, and Pampanga. Transformative education for national transformation.
Manpower service problems, avoid the hassles of recruitment, training, allocation of benefits, and other labor demands. For your sanitation, maintenance, and janitorial requirements, we've got the solution for you. Forerunner Services Incorporated will provide a competent and professional workforce your company needs, and more. Forerunner, revolution in manpower services.
Magbalik ka pa rin po in Personalan, and this is rubber shoes, Nike shoes 101 for me. Kasi po medyo I grew up na okay na ako yung maka sneakers at kung masyadong may hilig ka rin, mamahali na po pang masyadong mabulkong sapatos. At kaya betaya po yung very young, very promising Kapampangan entrepreneur, Mr. J.M. Yimson. Masyado ka ng format mo. Diba? Alright. Medyo atikang inopen na pamasanting kwento before Kick City became Kick City. Alright? You started selling online.
Opo, sir.
What year was that? Nanong year ito?
2 years ago.
2 years ago. So, advent of Facebook and social media, you were able to maximize yung pamagsulpot na ng Facebook and mass media. What prompted you to try selling items kay Facebook?
Kasi kailangan ko konting cash. Talagang.
So, may kumpisa na
talagang
medyo broke ka.
Oo, medyo broke.
Medyo broke na diskarte yung linto, na kailangan dumiskarte na you have to be able to earn money in the most honest way.
Sabi ko, kailangan ko lang yatang i-liquidate din kana akong shoes para at least ating kong cash. Eh ko naman expect na api sa likongan, pero at least kung api sa liko na rin apulo or
That's something already.
15 pairs.
Question, JM.
Up.
These are shoes na kunalek mo, regalo apay kasakitan mo, tinipon-tipunan mo. Was it easy or medyo may kasahit ka to say goodbye to this
Okay mo po.
collections?
Kasi kaya ko kasi para ka rin anak ko sana. Para asali ko lang nung nanong kalungan ng brida. Ito talagang main reason kung
Wala mo, mag-liquidate ka mo, makapag-earn extra cash.
extra cash
Alright.
for my kids. Tapos, ang gana kitang may wili ko, pisali ko man. Ngayon, niretang perang linto, ila pong peg start kung karing stocks ko kaya apalit. Ditang shoes sa makalagay ka rin.
You started with just an experiment. Big try ka mo.
Opo, sir.
For 1 pair, 2 pairs.
Muna itang metong pa.
Aha.
Itang metong pair ko, pisali
At tatandaan mo nung minunang sinalike ka.
Opo, sir. Sir Joseph Lakap from, I think, Mandaluyong.
Aha.
Kapampangan niya rin from Masantol, pero dinagol na ka rin king Manila area.
This is a person na you do not personally know or medyo kahit mga kanano kakilala mo?
Ali kayo talaga kilala.
Okay.
Ating kami mong metong mutual friend king Facebook na pinsan na.
Aha.
Kaya siguro ikit niya rin
Masikat kalubagya.
Itang page mi kaya siguro ikit na uling.
Question, JM. Kasi you are trying to sell something na of value to you, at ilang sentimental value kaya to someone na you're not even sure nung yapin talaga itang tao nga ito. This might be a fictitious account.
Opo.
Linog kaya kita na pota maloko ko or something like that.
Ali sir. Kasi itang premise hindi ko kung naman talaga buri. Kumbaga itang kung mamisali ko man, itang mo muna akong dilimpisali. Ito.
As an experiment lang talaga.
Opo. Tapos si Celine tas ang gana kitang pangadlo.
Abagit mo rin na ding payari yung first gap na mo na may ka concerns mo rin ka rin prospective customers mo itang delivery of the items.
Opo.
Ilabis ang established personality in the sense na era po rin abalo yung address na.
Opo.
How did you go about that?
Ito rin po, yung gawa ko, bali kaya kong location nung na rin la mag-pick up shoes. Itang lugar nung na rin la safe at saka ating tao. Itang medyo manakala rin taong dadalan ng pong kumbaga kanyang mismong sentro. Ito naman, mag-workout for a while, pero magkasakit kami.
Why?
Kasi kailangan...
This is a very interesting angle para ka rin prospective entrepreneurs namo na would like to follow suit.
Kasi po sir, itang lugar alya permi. Kumbaga, happening bali happening itang work location na itang taong actually kay bilas kay bali karon tapos dingalawa naman manibatan laking banda Manila tas mantala pa ken dingalawa mantala manibatan labat Angeles tas mantala kumbaga kinay ko niya muna maglagay na ako mo talagang tanggang malatiya mo hanggang sindagulya mong barbershop or
This only goes to prove na dakal mi ka interest.
Opo.
You posted your items online kay kang Facebook account and then it was able to generate a lot of interest. And pamagpatunay ni na talagang shoes will always be in style.
Opo.
Ne, ela mawala kay uso. Hanggat ating lultong lalaki na mahilig mag-basketball or poporma, palagi lang in vogue rin shoes. Ita ba yung maging sangkan ba o bakit realize mo na dapat natin ang talagang permanent place na andiyan pang talagang store, at least saguli din puntalan rin kayo kliyente.
Ito po talagang may guide na para metong namin pupuntalan. Yapin na mag-rent ko pong aiking Apalit.
Tapos start mo May 2015 in Apalit.
Opo. Tapos dininan ko niya rin dito ka shoes display para nung sakaling ating munta, pumikap lang shoes da. Puta, manakit lang pang medyo mura or medyo masanting para karela. Alis nung, kumbaga, salila ulit.
Mhm.
Tapos din nang hindi ka t-shirt, kung hindi kong sandals.
You did this while you were in the States.
Opo, sir.
Makanano ka sa akin kasi as it is ako, I cannot see myself opening my own business. So, feeling ko, ala akong gamat. Ala akong eco gifted para talent business. But you're not around, you're not physically present. How did you manage to make sure na maging smooth nga in flow?
Nang remodeling po king store chuko. Tapos nang okay na nga po pati ring papers, karing barangay clearance, mayor's permit. Kanta na ako, meko, and then
Kaya ka man may nga frustrated niya mumunta na kakaring kay munisipyo, kay treasurers, the way things are being handled here.
Okay naman po, kasi makanta talaga kailangan mong gawin nung mali, magiging illegal. So, kailangan, ginawa mi po talagang, nung nanin kailangan niyang nilakad mi.
Ninong maging kasawa po, did you have to consult friends, members of the family, and did you ask other people to pull their resources para makapag-umpisaya talaga yung kinatamong big city?
Din ka na akong, friends ko from Mapalit, yung wife ko, yung poitang uncle kong kayabe ko parati. Bali, ka-age ke pero matwala dahi. Ita po bali, kasi nung nano kasing malyari, sasabihan na po ako. So, bali, kumbaga, ala ko man kayo ni physically, pero balamod. At syukurin kasi sasabihan
na. Teka rin matapong balugbog kayo nila. I hope you don't mind me asking this, anak, no? Medyo kasi potang mag-put up kang business, bisa kadali, it will take a lot of your time. Aside from the fact na it will eat up a lot of your resources. Nagdita ka savings. No? How did it get in the way? You're in Alaca, and then you have two beautiful kids. Sabi mo, family man na ka, tating kang full-time worker rin. How did you have to balance your time?
Kasi po, sir, ating kong regular day job. Tapos, yung wife ko, alya mag-work. So, ko po ang king work. Yung wife ko yung karing online inquiries. Karing pong popo karing kung nanong problema, mamaw siya king shop. Kumbaga yan ang aning gagawa pagka king work ko. And then after work, painaw mong bagya, makialong ka rin kids. Tapos ito mag-start nung nanong gawan, nanong klaseng shoes yung ipa-order, nung nanong ma-release, makanyan. Kanta, kumbaga, kaya mo. Time management kasi talaga, sir. Pero minsan kasi, para ako kasi po ang kompleto katutod, manage mo masalasing oras mo eh.
That I have to accomplish in the days to come. Kulang na katutod. Would you also say na things come in very easy pag buri mo yung gagawan mo and you are selling things na malati ka pa mo, balo mo na lahat, buri mo lang?
Kaya, ako asagot, sir. Kasi talagang, ako talaga, sir, kaya ko talaga, spontaneous mo. Nung mo itang isip ko, buri ko i-apply ko agad eh. Subukan ko nung mag-fail edi, pagka akong naman magkaya, hindi mas pasanting, di ba?
Okay.
Pero buri ko parati kong susubukan. Minsan, mature pin mentality rate ang kamanisip pa mo ba yung mugawan. Pero, antita ako eh.
Spur of the moment decisions.
Kumbaga,
sometimes they work.
Kumbaga, madalas ka rin decision mo medyo risky. Pero kailangan mo subukan.
Pwede kang business if you're not willing to take risks.
Opo.
Sugali. So, you opened your store in Mapalit in May. In 6 months' time, very steady yung pamanatang daring customer.
Ating masika naman, ating ali. Minsan, masisiro, minsan eh. Pagka talagang, lalo na holiday. Kasi ako, buri ko kasi maka-open kami parati. Pag minsan naman, halimbawa, may zero kami ng undas. So may mukulat kami, sabi da, may mukulat ka pa, undas. O sabi ko naman, sayang, baka ating lungob or baka ating mantun. Siyempre ating mumuling kay
bakasyon kandila.
Den taga luwang lugar, munta laking kantiyan, punta kaya dalanan de akin de. Iting iisip ko, anong
It doesn't work here in the Philippines.
Ali ba?
Yeah, ali.
Ede manabat sinata.
All right. So, during that 6-month period, nanula ring realizations mo? What are the things that you realize pertaining to business? Kasi sabi mo, Pin, you were not able to finish your course. You only stayed for 1 year at AUF. Ala ka talagang business background yung family. So, sugal, diskarte, and spur of the moment decision. You're a very spontaneous young man. So, nanulit ang realize mo na if you go into business, these are things na dapat tandaanan mo.
Dapat talaga, mo munang delete itang resources, sir. Like, ako, talagang malating mong capital talaga eh. Kasi yan ako munang delete na ako makwalta.
So, you really worked your ass off.
Tapos, ita mo, siguro tiyaga mo, sir. Itang gustong metong Aldo, may na, okay mo. Kasi atin pa namang
Susunod Aldo.
Tita mo, basta easy mo.
So, every day is a learning experience for you.
Every day is a learning.
Ayan. So, kempong pa magbalik tampi sa biyan tamo. Nanula actually rin available na items kini, no, na money batan. And syempre, in $1 million question, daling kang taga-panalbe, are they affordable? Abalutangan yan po, kempang magbalik ni Personalan.
Mystic lane, we held each other's hands, wanting all these moments to last forever. Seeing friendly faces, sharing every moment, the gift of love, so sweet and tender. Mystic lane, whispers of fill my heart at the mystic lane. When I'm holding you, it must be forever. A place that's like no other. The memories, best moments we've shared at the mystic lane. Mystic lane.
Si Mang Jerry ay isang tricycle driver na nangarap at nagsumikap sa buhay.
Itong panghanap buhay ko. Swak na swak sa kita mo. Iyong maaasahan, wais na puhunan. Ang photon, go na go ang senso ko. Kaya mag-photo na.
Tulong ng Photon Pampanga, naging abot kamay na ang asam niyang pag-asenso.
Itong panghanap buhay ko. Swak na swak sa kita mo. Iyong maaasahan, wais na puhunan. Ang photon.
Siya na ngayon ay isang school service provider. Isa lang si Mang Jerry sa maraming taong nakamit ang hangad na pag-asenso sa buhay.
Fantastic! Oh! Okay ang service!
Sa tulong ng Photon Pampanga, ang katuwang nyo sa pag-asenso ng negosyo.
Sa kargahan! And now is the time for Photon. Go na go ang senso ko.
Photon Pampanga!
Empower your business! Tara! Mag-photo na!
Dati wala namang ganito kagrabing tagtuyot.
Dati po yun.
Epekto na po yan ng climate change. Panahon na po para makialam.
Dati, hindi naman tayo binabaha.
Dati po yun. Epekto na po yan ng climate change. Panahon na po para tumulong.
Nagbabago na ang panahon. Panahon na para magbago. Panahon na ang alamin ang mga paraan at tumulong upang pangalagaan ang ating kapaligiran.
Achuta na po keng katlo at taulig dakin na ni kikatamong kwentuhan all about shoes and achuka po rin po keng Kick City, keng City of San Fernando with Mr. J.M. Yimson. All right, so first question. So that means all our customers, lalo na rin shoe lovers, alimuketi keng City of San Fernando, alimuketing lalawigan ng Pampanga, na rin kapit lalawigan tam, they're assured that these are original products coming from the States.
Yes, sir.
So, makanano ing proseso, makanano kang sinugal na all the items will be shipped from the States.
Kaya, sir.
Medyo sugalyan mo rin, mabayad yung bagyan.
Kasi, sir, minsan, ding ship mi kasi ratang may order na. So, order ang dala kami online, and then, i-ship nila.
Okay.
Para, bira kami mo pong mag-ship na para i-display.
Okay.
So, mas makadalasan ka rin ship mi ratang may order na.
So, lead time. For example, ati kung aburyanan, in order kaya ni, how long will it take me for me to wait for the item?
Depende po kasi aliwa, kasi free shipping kami, sir. So, kung buri mo itang free shipping, mananaya ka mga 45 days. Kasi by sea ito eh. Kung baga, ship niya via sea, barko. Compared king rush, medyo, I think yung additional 1,200.
So, pero very flexible in terms. If for example, I want them ASAP and willing kong to pay extra charge,
Opo.
You're okay with that?
Opo, okay din ta. Kasi ilan namang magbayad po eh.
Big open ta mo last week.
Opo.
Just last week, 6 months after kay Apali, big open ta mo kay City of San Fernando. Can you tell our viewers nung nani exact location na ng Kick City?
Kick City po, kaya niya kay San Fernando, Barangay Dolores.
Ing landmark you, harap na ning Good Shepherd.
Harap na ng Good Shepherd.
Alright. What about the price? Are we assured na kaya sa bulsa, especially rin kaya katamong kaya nakanamili ka lang rubber shoes?
Mura po kami talagang. Kasi rin shoes po kasi may aliwala price. Then datang shoes like Denny, po kasi akit ka rin malls din. Kasi nang pagka-release halos may sold out la or din kasi buri dala eh. So ala nang akit.
I now have a very clear picture of the setup. So there are types of shoes, ring linwal models na ring shoes na alalo ka ring malls, alalo ka department stores, but they can find them here or they can order from you.
Opo, sir. Kasi sir, limbawa, Denny Pin or detang Stan Smiths. Kasi buri dala rin eh. So, kadalasan pagka tune na laking mall, ma-sold out la kagad. Kasi matas itang resale value da. Ngayon ating kami papa-order mo la. Pero, alin na la ketang price sa mall price. Kasi kami, kunan nila rin ketang medyo
mas mura.
Medyo matas na ang alagang mura.
It's the other way around. Medyo matas. So that's, buri na sabihin ni JM, one of your kay mo rin, meto mo rin kayong pagkabalahan mo when you're not here, talagang makatutok ka mo rin ka rin luluwal sapatos. Does that take a lot of your time or pretty manageable?
Okay na. Kasi minsan batang muli ko kayong bala eh. Maka-computer, mag-computer, mag-search. Tapos lalayan ko la rin daratang pang-release. Batang kaay, nung nakuha rin location, makasaling Marakala, Antita, or nung kasi ding kana akong friends, alos shoes din yung kaida, yung karilang pag-aabalahan.
Kaya talagang suwak na suwak kay in-open up mong business niya siguro andiyan pang masakit, medyo may katarantakan niyang opening. Wala mo, things come in very easy to you because these are things that you also share with your friends. All right? So, if I go to Kick City, kunwari mo, college students, college student ko na ala ko pang obra. what shoes would you recommend to me na akmakin ka na akong budget at akmakin ka na akong life?
College student, siguro yun pong Air Max 90 Triple Black. Kasi ring estudyante, dapat maka-black la eh. Like, nangako ng college ko, kahit na required kami mag-leather shoes,
maka-black.
Buri ko, mag-rubber shoes ko, basta all black yan. Tangeda halata.
Alright. May nakit kong pang-anak. Alright.
Okay.
I'm a young mother. Mother talaga. Is it practical for me to invest on shoes na makanini para ka rin anak ko?
Opo, sir.
Bugod pa kayong mapormahala kasi iray nga po kumakapakanila niya. I know, tatandaan ko lang rin sapatos na po.
Opo, kasi sir, then kasi matibela. The fact na original na po, talagang mas antingit ang material sa gamit.
And then you don't mind na itang susunod na anak or pinsan, ama na nila
na.
Kasi, rin anak yun naman mga daldal rin. All right. Now, do we have items for young girls and for young women?
Atin po. Atin din po.
What would you recommend them? Kunwari mo, I'm a bank teller, I'm an office girl na during weekends, I live an active lifestyle. What shoes would you recommend to me?
Kung mag-gym ya or mag-zumba, or po
mag-run?
Mag-run ya. Siguro din pong Warachi.
This one?
Apo, din Warachi. Or pwede din Air Max. Air Max 1, Air Max 90. Depende po kasi karela eh. Nung nano yung palagay ng komportable karela. Ating komportable kayong medyo elevated elevated na medyo kaya mata sa soul. Ating burida, itang maglupa lang malati kasi matangkad nila. Antita, sir.
Sabi na mo rin na different sports disciplines require different type of shoes.
Opo, sir.
Ating mas appropriate sapatos for here. Basketball players, ngayon. Correct me if I'm wrong. Bala mo po tang kakakit ko lang basketball players na bulky lang shoes. Pa mabayad ka rin later. Wala mo, makapag-rebound na pa ba? Makalundag na pa ba? Feeling ko niya, kung bisa mag-rubber shoes sa masyadong maragul, feeling ko po tayo ko abot.
Kareng rubber shoes naman po, para ka ako, personally, yung recommend ko rin Kobe. Kobe. Datang shoes ng Kobe. Kasi retang, kako mo sir na eh. Pero kareng, syempre, ko naman pwedeng, kasi karen ko komportable eh. Medyo mayanla, ating tsaka high tops. Baga, kaagad-agad matapilok. Di nga liwa naman, komportable lang karang Lebron. Kasi medyo tapin, medyo foamy la, tsaka baga, mag-grip lang kayong
sahig
kayong floor. Sabi da. Pero never ko pang...
So, karas ka rin shoes for basketball players talaga. Maragul a factor itang yung idolize mong player niya.
Opo. Kasi pagka, like, nung kalupan niya nung anak ka, pag susunod mo itang sapatos na ng idol mo.
Feeling mo kasi galing na. Feeling mo, di ka powers na ang Kobe para... Alright. Question, JM. Now that you've started this business, although mag-umpisaya pa mo, there's promise to it. We still have steady clients coming from Manila, from Angeles and all. Do you still collect? Collect na?
Alina po eh.
Bakit?
Actually, pila na lang mo rin pairs ko ngayon, alas apisali ko naman. Kasi dahil nga, buri ko na nga piniliquidate din ka na akong shoes para ating kung paandagdag.
Pero several years ago when you collected all these shoes, na talagang lokong-loko kayong pa mag-collect shoes, did it ever occur to your mind na datang Aldo, i-liquidate mo lahat manggilang cash?
Ali ko. Kasi sabi ko kanta, nung magkaanak ko, pamaanak ko li. O na yung ayisip ko rin.
Kumawa naman yung baby mo lang, no nga man.
Ayisip ko rin po, tenga na ako, na yung mga size. Ala rin.
O kaya by the time na dagol yung anak mo, uso.
Alright.
So, nano pa yung plano tamo kay Kick City? We opened last November 21. 25. Alright. Nano pa yung plano tamo? Now that we're here, nakalipat na from Apalit to City of San Fernando at talagang puntalan rin kay katamong kliyente. Pero we still maintain our clients kay Facebook. At sila pamodel na paborin mama ko. Nano pa yung plano tamo?
Sa ngayon siguro magdagdag pang pilang shoes, ano po ilang mga apparel, kanyan. Tapos, andito na pa siguro. Para kasi, kung todo magdagdag ang marakal, mas dakal ka gagawan. Ngayon ko pa yung stage na medyo calm down ko pa. Tang okay pa. Tang agyo ko pang agawa.
Sustain at the same time, ring clients, the loyal clients continue to come here and they bring in new clients, all right?
Ewan kasi bisang may stress. Wala mo sasakit ko pag may stress.
All right, so at this point,
okay na
importante may openness. You now have a common place na pwedeng puntalan. We are offering an alternative. We are offering our Kabalens an option, lalo na rin mahilig kayong shoes, very affordable. Once again, you invite them to come here to your store. Nagkakatamong Kabalen, nagkakatamong viewers.
Karami po ka akong Kabalen. Bisita ko po kayo ng Kick City, kaya po kayo San Fernando. Malapit siya kay Dole, Estings Flower Shop.
Dakala salamat, JM. Balo ko, busy ka pa. You're leaving tomorrow. At dakala salamat, apwersada ka may guest ni Kenny. I'm sure ang kakatamong tagapanalbe, lalong-lalo na rin, mahilig kang rubber shoes, mahilig kang apparel, sports apparel. They will be very excited to visit your store. Yung kakatamong Kick City, City of San Fernando. Kenny Pukeng Dolores, 3rd floor na ning Sevilla Building, fronting Good Shepherd Memorial Park. Kanya kayo po Maglipat Channel, magbalke pa rin po
Personalan.
Babyemi po kaya kaming kapasalamatan kareng kakaluguran ng personalan. Teresita Razon's Halo-Halo and Pansit Palabok, Rhapsody in Blooms, located at M&G Building, Dolores City of San Fernando. Thank you, Miss Mila Gonzalez. Ederm, Revolutionary Skin Health, Aesthetics and Wellness. Dakal salamat Dr. Eder and Anal Dizon. Crystal Homes Alasas, building homes, fulfilling dreams at Barangay Alasas, City of San Fernando. Sanctuario de San Fernando Memorial Gardens, Heaven on Earth at Barangay San Agustin, City of San Fernando. Special thanks to our high-tech dentist, Dr. Jose Lizander Galang of JL Galang Dental Group at the Pampanga ENT and General Hospital, City of San Fernando.
Mystic Lane.
Ingka kung pamana, ing dadake kung kabyasnan, kareng balang kainakan.
Ingka kung pamana, ding kana kung obra maestrang mamietula, king matayot kaladwa.
Pamanang pakamalan, pamanang lilingapan, pamanang alangangkan. Santuario de San Fernando Memorial Gardens, leave a beautiful and lasting legacy.
Sampaio de San Fernando, keeping family traditions alive.
Presenting the Shakey's Philly Cheesesteak Pizza. Slices of premium beef, tasty veggies, and special cheeses. Best in our signature thin crust. Enjoy it only at Shakey's. The Shakey's Philly Cheesesteak Pizza.
Balwan niyo po, as ng kaswelo king pakiramdam, potang manakita mong kwento na ning metong Mr. J.M. Mimzon kasi it's a classic story, a complete cycle of a young boy who started out as a fan of basketball, idolizing NBA legends like LeBron, Kobe, and Michael Jordan, and then started collecting rubber shoes as a hobby and finally discovering the possibility of turning a hobby into a business venture. Sana po dakal akayanaka na may inspire kang kwento ng J.M. Mimzon. You can start out as a hobbyist of anything and then come up and discover your business acumen and start a business venture that could generate income for your family. At sana po we can find some time to visit Kick City, keng Dolores City of San Fernando. I can assure you po, good quality shoes at very affordable price. And if you're looking for the latest shoes or itong shoes na ala na kareng department stores, ala na kareng malls, akitsula po Kenny, and you can ask the assistance of his very able staff. Sana po palagi kayong tumutok keng manyaman na kwentuang Kapampangan, uling bali naman po, no ka rin na kayo mandalanin kay kayong paninap, na anumaning kasakitan na dalanan nyo o tagumpenga kamtan nyo, magbalik at magbalik kay kempi pumpunan nyo. Uling maninaya kay kayo, inkayabe yung Miss Maureen Hepte Castro at inkayantabe yung Mama Ray Yumang, Kenny Mukeng, personalan. Bye!